Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. It's good to have you guys again today. And in this video, I brought someone here to talk about his experience being a trader, his trading joining experience, and how he has gone so far in trading and how he has been able to earn living while trading. And how he started and everything, his experience, his joining as a trader is going to be sharing with you guys, which I want you to get to learn one or two things from, especially people that are struggling right now trying to make a living trading and also trying to pursue their career and become a professional trader. So before we continue, if you are not subscribed to this channel and watching this video right now, subscribe now. Don't forget to share with your friends. So his name is Samuel, and he's a professional trader. And I wanted to share some experience with you guys. I'm going to be asking him some questions, about his trading, his joining, and the likes. So, hello, Mr. Samuel. Can you introduce yourself?
Hello, Muslim. Hello. Good afternoon or good evening from my side.
Okay, all right. Okay, Mr. Samuel, how you doing, bro? How's everything?
I do. Have fun. Other side.
Wow, everything's fine, but it's good to see you, right? It's been long.
It's been fun.
Yeah, I would just be just so I don't waste time. I'll just be asking some questions. So if I may ask, what actually inspired you to become a trader?
Oh gosh. Oh, well, you want me to just remember some things? What inspired me to become a trader? Well, I won't really say I was inspired. I was like my Nigerian friends would say. Uh, I was sapatized into becoming a trader. I was I was literally pushed by Sapa. Yeah. So um back then I used to just save in cryptocurrency because I didn't really like believe in the I didn't really believe in Naira's strength. So I used to save in USDT back then on I think it was Binance. I think I started from Binance. I used to save on Binance. But so one day I just got pushed like I had like $40. I had like $40. I just got pushed. Your friends are doing this thing. You say do it. No problem. I did it then. I didn't really know much about futures trade. I did it and I made a profit. Luckily, I was lucky. I was lucky. That was how it just started. I was lucky to have made a profit on my first trial. So I wasn't really inspired. I just wanted money and I could
So,
try it.
so uh,
It worked.
I get what you're saying. I just like it's something that just happened unplanned.
Yeah, it did happen unplanned. Like it was funny though because the first one I made a profit and I think I made about 20% profit. But you
About himself.
it be like when you dey cook. When that voice they say add more salt, add more, no add more. So I was like, if I can 20%, and I just started with $40. Let me just add more. Let me just add more. You get so I borrowed. Then I was living in the hostel, school hostel. I borrowed money from a couple of friends. Guy, I don't need trade though. I be trader. Yeah, the tell them say, guy, I be trader. I be trader now. I don't need trade. I don't make profit now. Because okay, they believe in me. Now they just Yusuf. God bless you wherever you are. Yusuf borrowed me, I think $30 that time. My first trade, I was able to pile up like 100 and something dollar. Carry everything we had. Inside futures.
How can I show you? Say they grad.
As the Lord will have it, lo and behold, and we lost everything.
So if I may ask, when was the first time you actually maybe like you made your first $100?
My first $100.
Yeah. How do you feel? How do you feel that period down there? Do you feel like you're on top of the world, or like you're like, oh, this is small money?
Well, it wasn't $100, but I think the biggest money I made that time was I made around $82. I didn't really make $100. I made around $82 then. That was like the biggest money I made around that time. And before making that $82, bro, I'd spent like maybe 200 and something dollars. you know, the funny thing about my first trade, we say I borrowed money from Yusuf.
Uh-huh.
Yusuf wanted to borrow me more money, so he borrowed money from someone to borrow me, plus my money. Plus money, the borrower and the borrower money, everything,
Everything. Packet.
everything went, bro. But then basically, the first highest money I made was around $82.
Oh, that sounds good.
We went
So,
from
so, that's nice. You did great. You know, that's a big money there, bro. And that was
no,
what year? What year?
um, I think I bought okay. I think 2018, something like
Man, that was big money. I was in school then, bro. Man,
bro.
that was big money.
Next to that was I was a big boy.
I'm
I was
sure.
like,
So, if I may ask right now, do you feel currently that you're on top of trading now, like you're now like very good at what you do, or you still feel like you still need more development, or like you're still developing yourself, even though you've
well, the truth is,
been buying trading?
I won't say I know best. And the truth is, let's be factual. We are all learning. We all keep learning. You never stop learning. The moment you think you are the best, then you are just being ignorant. You
Mm.
continue learning. So no, I'm not at the top of my game. I can do more, but I'm not where I used to be. Is what matters. I'm moving forward. Like Yorubas will say, "Ma konju, ma sare, ṣùgbọ́n ma dúró." You get no wait,
Normal,
no ma, I know
normal,
wait,
normal, normal, normal.
no wait.
That's nice. That's nice. So also, I want to ask another question, which is relating to like, how do you come about the strategy you're using right now, or like how do you like develop it or something, you know?
Mm.
Do you have to like go through some YouTube videos, or you like bought a course, or like you just keep on building on yourself and your likes?
Well, the truth is, I think after my first major trade, my first major flop, I went to Oshogo to learn cryptocurrency, like the trading, to learn the trading, and basically I got taught technical analysis and fundamental analysis, and those are the two rocks, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, using candlestick analysis. But over time, you get to realize that you develop your own trading strategy. You get now. I still use technical and fundamental analysis. You have to use them. I use candlestick analysis. I use a mix of everything because you can't be too ignorant about one. If you leave one aside, it can flop. If you say okay, if you read the technical analysis, and then you say okay, this coin will go up, and then something happens. Maybe Russia bombs Ukraine. You get so you have to have like a mix of everything. You follow the news, you follow the trend.
So more like mixing technicals with fundamentals, to pick
Sorry,
one out of the market. Yeah,
so
that's
actually,
so. So how do you try to manage your risk, while trading?
oh
How do you
well,
do your risk management?
how do
Share
I tell
share some
you?
experience for people, no?
Number one, how do I tend to manage my risk? Well, risk management is one very important thing when it comes to trading. And I manage my risk by using this Yoruba proverb. No, is it Yoruba proverb? Má ṣe jura ẹ lọ. Cut your coat according to your size.
Match charge you.
Never, if you dey trade, they make sense when you borrow money to trade. You get, now that time you dey lose.
No, but it could
You
feel
that
like I
time you
fear now. Like I
no,
see.
no,
You home
no,
out.
no dey do wetin pass yourself. Now like who borrow money to do burial? Wetin the burial ROI? You get? I just don't do more than myself. And my risk management, one thing I do is I'm not a day trader. Most times I just have like some time, okay, I read it and I do it over 2 weeks. I span it over 2 weeks. Once I make 10, 20%, I'm done. You get now
Mm.
who know they use better money trade. Now who know they use better money trade, now they expect a move. You get you're using $2 to trade, you're expecting $100 profit. No, even if it times 50, bro, I just £3. I just $3, sorry.
Oh, man.
Yeah, so
Oh, man.
if you guys use better money, they find better money.
So I see. So let's assume you have like maybe like $100 in your account now. So how much do you risk per trade,
You're asking about my
Some
risk
people
appetite.
also just feel like putting 100%, like 50% at life. So like, for based on you, the personal trade. Some people actually do like you we see some people trading, putting the $100 in their account and flip it to like $1,000 and the like. So do you sort of like be careful with amount you risk, or sometimes you do some flipping and if it goes, it goes and the likes?
Well, the thing is, the amount of risk I think my risk appetite is determined by the leverage I'm using. Take for example, you want to trade Bitcoin and you put it on 20x and you only have $100. You know that you go chop fast.
Small money now. We can play with that.
It's small money. You get so my risk appetite for that kind of thing. I just set my stop loss. If I've lost $10, leave it. You get. But if you have like better money, or even if it's still $100, and you put your leverage at maybe 2x or 3x, you know that before you lose $10, it go taste more.
No.
Yeah, so you have to like wait. You have to wait and also weigh your risk appetite. Your risk appetite is very, very important. Just think about it before you do it. If you lose this money, would you be able to breathe properly? That's my own judgment. If I lose this money, shall I go feel breathe well? If I know say I don't feel breathe well, I don't know. And if I know yeah, it's what I used to drink in the
So what's your take on the idea that let me quit my job and start trading fully?
Bro.
Do you support the idea, or like you feel like they should still have a side hustle till they make it in trading? What do you feel?
Well, the thing is, there's no need to pursue one thing with all your strengths. If you can pursue two things at the same time, why not? You have nothing to lose. You get, and even outside of trading, you want to quit something for something. It might not really go well, especially if that thing you're quitting is your livelihood. If you get what I mean. So I'll never tell you to like quit your job for trading. Okay, you can quit your job for trading. Maybe you have like 12-month rents. You have like 12 months rent. In the next 12 months, even if you lose $100,000, you still live fine without working. All right, quit your job, retire, take 6 months valuation twice in a.
But person way in leg never balance.
Never balance. You get crypto will show you shaggy. And you know, one thing about cryptocurrency is when you trade desperately, you lose desperately. In the sense that desperation brings greed. You be like, this $50 now the last money where I get, I borrow and I can make money. That is when you lose the money. You get, but those times that you just like, let me relax, direction, let me spend $10. To buy so. And that kind of time, now you get money. You get, so in order to avoid giving to Caesar.
Entered at 600%. By the end of the day, you went away with 400%.
You're a risk taker, you get. You have a lot.
So it's a win-win, but it might not go with the small wins, that kind of stuff.
A person like me, instead of going home with a small win, I would just increase my stop loss. That's what I would do. And talking about mistakes, if I'm going to say another mistake, one is lack of education. Most traders are just beginning. They don't really know about cryptocurrency. They're just like, Pablo, you make money with cryptocurrency. Teach me. Pablo to give you one phone, teach you. He'll be like, I will teach you. You say, you just job. How much? You say your naira to dollar. You just say like $40, get $40. Use that trade. You're just jumping. Most times you end up losing. If you get what I mean.
Yeah.
And if I can think of another mistake, I'll say over trading. People do it, both the beginners, both the experts. We all do it. You get, and that's what I was saying about the idea of you already made profits, but you're like, if I leave this thing, maybe before tomorrow morning, if you just go 3 billion%, now we think they keep us with that.
Even sometimes maybe the market dump, and I saw a good buy order, a good long. I long like 2 positions at the time. Most time I always on Bitcoin. Maybe I long like 2 coins at the time, Bitcoin or something. And they're in profit already. Instead of it to like stay with those coins that I took at the low and I'm already in each profit, I might go in and start looking for other altcoins to jump into. And those altcoins might start misbehaving in that, like they're not like moving like that, and they go stop out. So you're like, what the fuck is this? Why can't I just leave these 2 positions and just hold it?
So your profits, you realize that you took profit from here and you are giving it to another coin you get.
So most times like either all those positions, or I feel that okay, if this is not worth it, just leave the trade, But sometimes I see just a loss. It's just another thing in trading.
There's one I never forget. Never chase your losses. I used to tell people I teach this, never ever chase your losses. You see, the moment you start chasing your losses, you'll be like, okay, I don't already lose $20. Make I get my $20 back. You get, let me never chase you. If you start chasing it, that
market
is
where you don't forget market revenge.
You remember this like Ajansari, who would you know?
Yeah.
If you enter bet Naija show, if you bet, if you lose, just dey go house. But if you come continue to dey bet,
That lost with the follower, bro.
you know now Muslim, we have a friend that lost a lot of money, and he started by just edging it. You see
Yeah.
that, okay, you are like 95% down, you had more money.
He lost like $250,000, bro. I remember vividly.
He lost a lot
That
of money.
guy was fucking, I don't even know. Let me say that thing.
As at that time, that guy lost my net worth. That guy lost waiting for buy me. And the guy still be alright. Get financial, but never ever chase your losses. That's one very, very important thing. Give
Yeah.
to belong to Caesar. Because
Because he was even trying to recoup his loss back. He still lost about over 100K again.
Bro. No,
Yeah.
that if to say I me lose waiting, he lose. I would just prefer to lose my life.
Any advice for coming traders?
Well, follow those common mistakes that people make, like educate yourself. You get fundamental technical analysis, avoid over trading, never chase your losses, and avoid emotional trading. You get avoid emotional trading. Like
Okay.
don't mix your emotion with your trading. Just never do it. It's always killing, if you get what I mean. And also start small. Don't no be say you use this whole play today. You want use big money they play straight. You want no, start small. You get stay disciplined and always diversify. People forget to diversify. Take for example, my friend used all the money he had on him to buy Shiba Inu. You know now, where is Shiba Inu today? Yeah, imagine he bought Shiba Inu, bought Bitcoin. At least Bitcoin is still alive. He bought Ethereum. Don't put all your eggs in one basket.
Yeah.
Continuous improvement. Always learn. Never
That's
think
advice, bro.
you never think that you know everything, because the truth is.
Thanks, bro, for this wonderful advice. Really appreciate. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe. And if you want more video like this, put on a notification and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. We are going to bring in other people on this YouTube channel to interview them and ask them how they did it, their experience and everything to help you upcoming traders, in this trading journey. Thank you very much. And then have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.
Peace, bro.
Peace be unto you.